Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Jquery, and in this session number 15 we are going to learn how to create and select the count of the all selectors. So just go and start the program. First of all, I am creating a new project here and PHP. Save this selectors count program, something like this, and here we will create a title and select or count the selectors of the DOM document object model. As we always do, first of all add the script type JavaScript and add the Jquery files source. So just add the source here and select the Jquery files mains and close this script. After that we are going to add another script that was also the JavaScript file here, and we will write our code here. So in this program I am going a div here, and div make some class is equal to main div main area program, main program area, whatever program area, and close this div. And in this I am first of all adding one element that was h1 count the total selectors. Okay, and here I am going to add a p tag here. In this video session you will learn how to add the Jquery program to find all or specified selectors. Okay, and we are closing this one. This is very useful to find the specified elements and make the changes according to the requirement. And I'm just adding some input type is equal to button and value feedback, something like this, and input type is equal to text, name is equal to feedback. Okay, I think we change the position, make this input after the x, and here. Okay, now we are going to write the program of Jquery, and for this thing first of all we will add $sign, and after that we are use document, and this method will shown when the document object will be ready. And in this we are creating a variable and total elements, whatever. You will take the name of the variables, and after that you just define the $sign, and star is used to select all the elements dot length, and this will return us the length of the total counted it, and then return the total number of the elements in the whole program. And after that we are just adding to display this here the total elements. Okay, now we will run this program, and we use double quotes here. Okay, and now we run this program in Google Chrome or whatever, and just say that okay, the total elements, because we just make it in the double quotes, so that's why it will show the double quotes elements. So just remove it, and so it will get the values, and just go and refresh this page once again. So we have 13 elements in the whole body. Now you can see how these 13s will become. That HTML is one element, head is the second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element, seventh element, and then 8th element, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. This way you can say that every element or every tag is counted for 1 in this program. But if we want to find out the main program area, then first of all we will need to change it. And how we will change it? We will I think make this variable element variable. Okay, we can make another variable, so this will change variable selected class, you can say selected class, and in this we are going to once again $, and here we will give the name of the main program area. I thought, yes, this is the main program area dot length. And now we will run this program and check it out. Selected class. Now we will run this program and see what will happen. So go and refresh this one and just refresh this 13th, and you can see that it's a 0 values here. Why this thing is happening? Because okay, we have some mistake here, and that was we are using the class name, but we are not selected the dot operator here. Since if we use the classes, then we will add the dot sign, so all the classes will be shown here automatically. Just save it and refresh it, the page. So we will find that the total elements are 13th, and we have one element named main program area. But if we have to find this one, just copy this to check out what is going on. If we have the two divs of the main program area, then it will show that exactly it will show that it has 2 div areas. Now if we want to find the elements between these main program area, I'm just removing it so not complicated this program. So we have to find the property and find here and just use whatever we want. We have to find all the selectors within that area. Then we will use the star sign is here and just go and refresh this page. Then we have total number of elements 13, and we have 5 elements of the selected areas. Okay, now refresh this page and see what will show 13th, and now we have 5 elements. It means that in that main area program we have all the elements. Now count it, h1, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. We have 5 elements in this main program area. And if we want to specify some special one, then just add p tag here and refresh this one. Rather than to select all the elements, now it will show 2 elements here. There you can see that it was a 2. And similarly, if you want to make this program ID, then you will use not a point or dot operator here, but you have to use the number sign here, and the same thing will be here. And if you want to add some total elements in the program, then we will refresh this page and see what will happen. So the total elements in the program is 13th, and that we are not adding something with this here, so it was, but it was 2 elements here in the P, and that was here. So in this way you can find and select the elements, and then you can change the property of which you want here, and according to that. So that, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel for further tutorials. Okay, now I want to tell you one more thing, that if you want to apply some changes or information on that elements, then you can just do that according to the requirements. And one more thing, if you change the color of the background or the CSS or JavaScript thinking, then you must be aware about it, that you first of all define the elements, and it is very helpful for you to understand this thing. Thank you very much, and Al Hafiz.